Solve this two-step equation. It's a two-step equation because it involves two operations. Division, shown here, and addition, shown here. Let's take this equation and plug it into this template. So we get x divided by 2 plus 5 equals 15. We want to get rid of this term, so we subtract 5 from both sides. So we get x divided by 2 plus 5 minus 5 equals 15 minus 5. So you can see we subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. Simplifying, we get x divided by 2 equals 15 minus 5, or 10. This expression involves division, which we can undo with multiplication. So we get x divided by 2 times 2 equals 10, also times 2. So you can see we multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Simplifying, we get x is equal to 20.